This is my pet dog. His name's Pochita, and he can do something that your dog can't. Starting out as a book, it then became animated, and now it exists in the real world. I made this real-life Pochita, which makes me the only one in the world with a screen-accurate, gas-powered, working Pochita chainsaw. And that means we're in a unique position to test my Pochita while bringing the most iconic parts of the anime to life. This is Pochita, anime to reality. In the anime, they battle a huge variety of monsters, including a gigantic tomato monster. This is real life, and there's no tomato monsters, but I did find this monster tomato. And even though I love tomatoes, and it pains me to do this, I think it'll make Integza proud. It went the whole way through it, just dropping it. Completely cut in half. That is so cool. Tomato monsters are no problem. Pochita is the winner. That was easy. But taking a walk with Pochita might not be. Is it legal to walk a chainsaw? We didn't get arrested for dragging a chainsaw down the sidewalk, but we did get a lot of strange looks from all the people that drove by.
Pochita.
He doesn't fight a watermelon monster in the anime, but since this is YouTube, kinda have to.
Okay, kill the watermelon monster.
This is a way cooler shot than I expected. I thought when the chainsaw went through the watermelon, it would just come out in a fine spray, but instead, we got strings of watermelon rope. In the anime, it's not always monsters and bad guys. Sometimes even the hero needs to take a break. I wish I had jam. Just hanging out with my chainsaw dog in a shed. In the anime, they cut down trees. And I truly don't know if my Pochita has enough power for that. So it's time to see if my Pochita's got enough bite to take down a tree. Pochita did a great job clearing all the brush from around this tree that needs to come down. So we're gonna start with a little part, because trying to go through a lot of wood all at once might be too much for this aggressive chain and that tiny engine. All right, let's do this quick. Ready? I'm definitely through it. Oh, yeah. It was stuck on the other tree. Adding some gas, and I'm gonna let his access open so he can breathe a little better, because now it's time to do the big one. Up there. Here, I'll pull on this branch. Yep, there she goes. My little guy did it, cut down a whole tree. He's a little hot from it, he'll be fine. He just needs a little cool off period. To be honest, it was pretty difficult. That's a way aggressive chain. This is a less than 2 horsepower string trimmer engine. I'm surprised I was even able to get this thing cut down at all. There's only one thing left from the anime for me to do with my Pochita. Just kidding, that's not possible. Or is it?